we'll be starting off with chapter 6, that is role of markets in allocating resources. So in this chapter, we'll be studying different aspects of market resources and what are the different market economic systems. So first of all, let's have a look at the different market economic systems. We have three market economic systems basically. Um, Number one is free market economic system. Here we need to understand that the why do we divide it into different economic systems? Because the resource allocation and resource ownership gets divided between different actors of the society. So an economic system is a network of organizations used to resolve the problem of now there are these three questions that are being answered by the economic agents. That's what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Now, if you look at the market economic system, it's the markets allocate the resources, then it's driven by the profit motive, limited role for the state, private sectors dominate. Mixed economic system, whereas an amalgam of market economic system and planned economic system. So basically, it combines the features of both planned economic system and market economic system. Planned economic system is something where the resources are owned and controlled by the state, and all the plannings and all the major sectors are being dealt by the state itself. Now, the three allocation decisions. Because all economic resources are scarce, every society must answer the three basic questions. What are the three basic questions? These are the three basic questions: what to produce, for whom to produce, and how to produce. Now, if you move on to the economic system, the three different economic systems as we've discussed earlier as well. These are the three market economic systems. Mixed economic system, command economic system, and then it's market economic system. Now, what are the features of market economic system? If we look at the features of market economic system, we're studying that now market economic system is also known as free market economic system. So you can also call this as free market economic system. Free. Free is the name, the word free can be attached here with it, right? So what is a market economy? A market economy is an economic system in which economic decisions and the pricing of goods and services are guided by the interaction of countries' individuals. So who owns and controls the resources? That are the individuals of the economy or the country. There are many. There may be some government intervention, just as like law and order and such the very important sectors, but the businesses are dealt by solely by the private individuals. So these are the factors that are written here that show what are the salient features of market economic system. So this is how important market economic system is. Then we move further and we see that this concept of price mechanism. Basically, price mechanism is how the price mechanism refers to the system where the forces of demand and supply determine the prices. If you look at this graph, as the demand is rising for the product, may it be for any reason other than price, so it shifts. As it shifts, the price increases because the supply is not increasing, whereas the demand is increasing. So basically, when the factors of demand and supply determine the price level in an economy, demand and supply are not the price is determining the demand and supply, but the demand and supply are determining the price. So here the constant factor is our demand and supply, because they are not being affected, but price is being affected. Definitely they change as well, but the factor that gets affected by the change of this demand and supply is the price. So now this is the question. This is the chapter that covers basically the three main economic questions and how we allocate the resources and who are the different actors of the economy, and then how price mechanism determines the price level in the economy. Thank you.